Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best oxygen absorbers for food storage that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're prepping for long-term food storage, preserving dehydrated goods, or just want to extend the shelf life of your pantry staples, we've got you covered. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Kicking off our list at number 5, we have the Linskind 110 packs 100cc oxygen absorbers. If you're looking for smaller capacity absorbers for compact storage needs, this product is an excellent option. Each pack contains 10 absorbers, sealed in individual vacuum bags to prevent premature oxygen exposure, which is a standout feature for minimizing waste. The absorbers are made from food-grade materials with ISO 9001 certification, ensuring safety and compliance with strict food regulations. Additionally, the double-layer anti-oil film design allows these absorbers to be used with oil-based foods like nuts and jerky. In terms of design, the Linskind absorbers are lightweight yet durable, with a compact size that fits snugly into small containers, such as mason jars or snack-sized Mylar bags. While the 100cc capacity may be smaller than others on this list, it's perfect for short-term storage or when preserving small batches of food. Performance-wise, these absorbers do a solid job of maintaining the freshness, flavor, and color of food for an extended period. However, users may find the lower capacity limiting if they're looking to store bulk quantities. Overall, the Linskind oxygen absorbers are a great value for those who need smaller portions and appreciate the convenience of individually sealed packs. However, their limited capacity and slightly lower moisture absorption compared to higher capacity options place them at number 5 on our list. If you're a beginner or need absorbers for smaller storage projects, this could be the right choice for you. At number 4, we have the Homebao 200 packs 500cc food-grade oxygen absorbers. What sets this product apart is its impressive quantity, 200 absorbers in total, making it ideal for bulk storage needs. Each set of 10 absorbers is vacuum sealed to maintain potency, and the absorbers feature a high-grade design that ensures strong oxygen absorption. They're also equipped with an anti-oil film, making them suitable for a variety of foods, including those with high oil content like nuts and seeds. The build quality of the Homebao absorbers is commendable. They're compact and easy to use, with clear, color-coded packaging that makes it simple to identify and organize your supplies. The 500cc capacity is perfect for 1-gallon Mylar bags or larger containers, which makes these absorbers a versatile choice for long-term food storage. However, some users have noted that the vacuum-sealed outer bags can be a bit difficult to open without scissors, which might slow down your workflow in a busy kitchen. The Homebao absorbers are a fantastic choice for those who need a large quantity of high-capacity absorbers at a reasonable price point. While they're not as compact as some other options, their versatility and effectiveness in preserving bulk quantities of food earn them a solid spot at number 4. Coming in at number 3 is the Niqui 500cc oxygen absorbers. These absorbers are designed for long-term food storage and come in 20 convenient packs of 5, making them easy to use without worrying about exposing the entire batch to air. With a 500cc capacity, these absorbers are ideal for 1-gallon Mylar bags and larger airtight containers, making them a versatile choice for a variety of food storage applications. The build quality of the Niqui absorbers is impressive, featuring a double-layer and anti-oil film design to ensure compatibility with oil-rich foods. The packaging is durable and easy to store, although some users have noted that the vacuum-sealed packs can be a bit challenging to reseal after opening. In terms of performance, the Niqui absorbers do an excellent job of maintaining food quality and extending shelf life, with many users reporting consistent results over time. While the Niqui absorbers are slightly more expensive than some competitors, their reliability and well-thought-out packaging make them a worthwhile investment for serious preppers and home cooks. If you're looking for a high-capacity option that balances quality and convenience, these absorbers are a great choice. At number 2, we have the Zile 400cc oxygen absorbers. With 100 absorbers divided into 20 packs of 5, This product is tailored for those who value convenience and efficiency. The absorbers are designed to work perfectly with 1-gallon Mylar bags, making them an excellent choice for medium-sized storage projects. What sets Zlay apart is its focus on safety. The absorbers are made from food-grade materials and undergo rigorous testing to ensure compliance with the highest safety standards. The design of the Zlay absorbers is simple yet effective, featuring a double-layer anti-oil film that allows them to be used with both dry and oily foods. The 400cc capacity strikes a good balance between smaller and larger options, offering versatility without overkill. Users have praised their consistent performance, noting that they effectively preserve food freshness for extended periods. However, the outer packaging could use a more robust resealing mechanism to prevent accidental exposure. Priced competitively and backed by strong customer reviews, the Zlay absorbers are an excellent choice for those who need a reliable mid-capacity option. Their balance of affordability, convenience, and performance earns them the runner-up spot on our list. Finally, taking the top spot at number 1, we have the Wallaby 500cc oxygen absorbers. With 100 absorbers packaged in 10 individually sealed packs, Wallaby offers a premium solution for long-term food storage. What makes these absorbers stand out is their exceptional quality and attention to detail. The absorbers are made from FDA-approved, food-grade materials, ensuring safety and reliability for all your storage needs. The Wallaby absorbers are designed with convenience in mind, featuring a resealable outer bag that makes storage and retrieval a breeze. The 500cc capacity is perfect for 1-gallon Mylar bags, offering versatility for a wide range of dry goods, from grains and beans to freeze-dried meals. Users have noted that these absorbers consistently deliver strong performance, maintaining food freshness and flavor for extended periods. The brand also includes clear instructions and helpful tips for use, making them beginner-friendly. While the Wallaby absorbers may come at a slightly higher price point, their quality and thoughtful packaging make them a worthwhile investment. Whether you're a seasoned prepper or new to food storage, these absorbers are the gold standard for reliability and performance, earning them the number 1 spot on our list. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Until next time, happy prepping and take care.